Virtual TimeClock Pro Edition is a powerful, easy-to-use employee time tracking program. Pro Edition can be installed on one computer for all employees in the office to use. Employees simply punch in and out, while Virtual TimeClock handles all the calculations and time cards for you. No more collecting, deciphering, and totaling paper timesheets. Virtual TimeClock automatically totals regular and overtime hours at the click of a button. Let's take a moment to review how the time clock works for both employees and administrators, and how Pro Edition can simplify your payroll process. To use the time clock, employees stop at the time clock computer and log in with their password or PIN. Don't need passwords? They can be disabled at any time. Once an employee is logged in, they can start or stop their time on the clock, take a break or lunch, or quickly view their time card. As the time clock administrator, you can turn on admin features to correct employee hours, add missed punches, or view and print time cards for payroll. Other features available in Pro Edition include PTO tracking, activity and job costing, shift rules for controlling overtime, payroll integration, and more. If you'd like to find out more about Pro Edition, we provide a free trial so you can have employees start using the time clock, or simply explore the included sample data to learn more about the program. Need the time clock available on more than one computer? Network Edition includes all the features of Pro Edition, but the software can be installed on as many computers as you want. Each edition of Virtual Time Clock is available for a one-time license purchase with no monthly fees. Thank you for checking out this introduction to Pro Edition. For more information or to get started with a free trial, visit our website at redcort.com.